Hello guys, E here. I hope you're doing good today. Just a quick tutorial on how to put the radio on service mode. This is a Tacoma 2017 with a touchscreen. Power it on. It's Tacoma with this touch. So what you do is you hold the audio button down and then you flick the headlights 3 times on. So that'll be 1, 2, 3. And then while you hold this button down, it should the service mode screen should come on, and then you can do whatever you gotta do with the system. You can do a system check and all that stuff. I'm gonna do it real quick and then show you guys. All right, as you guys can see, this is the service mode screen. You can check the whole system. You can do a system check, and then it checks all your systems. You can go back. You can do a function checks. I mean, anything, if you're diagnosing whatever you need it for. But that's how you do it. So you hold the audio button down at the same time you click the headlights on and off 3 times. And that will be it. Hope you guys like the quick tutorial. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.